Hi, I'm Tracy Colors on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this segment, I'll show you how to take care of poison ivy or poison oak. This case developed over several hours ago and now is blistering and sore. First, you want to put gloves on so you don't get any oils on your hands and you don't spread it around. If the oils spread, they can get onto your hands, your eyes, and cause intense suffering. Put gloves on and then prepare to cleanse the area. There are products out there that are cleansing towelettes you can carry around with you. And these are specially designed for poison ivy, poison oak. And you go ahead and apply these to dry skin, rubbing them in for several minutes. You follow that with a cleansing of water, and then you repeat the process. You really need to get those oils off of the area. If you don't have this type of a product, you can use a Castile soap towelette or any type of cleansing towelette that has soap in it, or use soap and water to fountain. You can use these other types of products if you don't have that. I would also recommend that you use Benadryl or some sort of antihistamine to reduce the swelling and the pain. And another type of ointment that you can use is calamine. Sorry, I forgot the whole calamine lotion. Take a drink here.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'll explain later. Okay.
Hi, I'm Tracy Colors on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this segment, I'll show you how to take care of poison ivy or poison oak. This case has developed over several hours after exposure. However, it still does need cleansed so that the oils don't spread to other parts of the body and cause intense suffering. So first, put on gloves so that you don't get the poison oak or poison ivy on yourself. And hopefully we will stop the spread of it. They actually do make products to take care of this, and you can carry them in your backpack. And it's a poison ivy, poison oak cleanser towelette. These work great. Just go ahead and apply them on dry skin, rub it for several minutes, and then rinse it with water. If you don't have this product, that's fine. Just go ahead and use a soapy towelette or soap and water at a faucet. Another thing that will help reduce the swelling is an antihistamine such as Benadryl. And go ahead and take that a couple times a day to reduce the swelling and itching. And hopefully this will go away soon.